Hey there! Today, we're diving into the CEKEE Quarter Sheet Pan with Cooling Rack Set, a perfect and complete solution for all your baking needs. This set includes 2 baking sheets and 2 wire racks, crafted from commercial-grade stainless steel, ensuring they're rust and warp resistant, and free from harmful coatings. The baking sheets measure 12.59 by 9.84 by 1.18 inches, while the racks are 11.57 by 8.97 inches, making them the ideal combo for baking or cooking your favorite dishes. With superior heat conductivity, these pans heat evenly, reducing baking time and preventing overbaking, while their non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze. Just a gentle scrub with soapy water will do. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, and as long as you remove any oil or grease after each use, they'll stay bright and clean. Not only are they perfect for baking, but they're also versatile enough for BBQs, picnics, and even making jelly rolls or cheesecakes. And when you're done, these pans and racks stack easily, saving you valuable kitchen space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.